Hi, my name's Terry Bickerton and I'm the Head of Fleet and Equipment for Australia Post. Australia Post and StarTrack operates one of the largest and most diverse fleets in Australia, from small motorcycles through to large line haul prime movement. I was honoured to be named as AfMA's Fleet Manager of the Year for 2022, but I could not achieve this without the great work done by my fleet team and the support from senior management. Australia Post goes to exhaustive lengths to ensure that the vehicles are as safe as we are able to make them, adding many of the additional safety features as possible to the vehicles. We also carry out exhaustive testings and consultation with drivers prior to taking the vehicles onto the road.
So when we first started working with Terry and Post, the number one priority of Terry and Post was safety. The team obligation was getting in and out of the vehicles 20, 30, 40, 50 times a day. So we developed an exit and entry point from the side door access, so it's a stairwell. So getting in and out of the vehicle is simple, especially when you're carrying parcels in and out. You can walk up and down it just like a staircase.
Vehicles are also equipped with telematics to assist in better vehicle management, driver safety and maintenance. The introduction of in-cab cameras has helped bring previously unknown details to our attention to allow us to work with drivers, coaching and developing them to become safer users on the road. The system has paid benefits, reducing collision leading risk by 64% and heavy vehicle collisions by 21%. The Australian Post fleet also forms a strategic part of our sustainability plan. The introduction of zero-emission delivery vehicles in 2017, now having grown to over 2,500, as well as the introduction of the first zero-emission factory-built truck into Australia and the conversions of passenger vehicles to hybrid, also helped reduce Australia Post fleet impact on the environment.
It was actually at this strategic review that we were talking to Terry about the option of moving from the current petrol vehicles to hybrid vehicles. You step forward a year or so, the entire passenger fleet for Australia Post is hybrid vehicles. So again, that's just a great demonstration of doing the right thing. But the fact that two businesses working in partnership could achieve that, I think it's a really good step.
Standing in front of the Stealth Ozpod, three-wheeled electric delivery vehicle. It is footpath capable and also 50 kilometres an hour on the road. We were approached some time back by Terry and his team from Australia Post, who sat down with us and specifically gave us the conditions that it needed to operate in, which is basically rough terrain than most of the other vehicles, so small towns, outer suburbs where the footpaths are either rough or non-existent, and we have delivered a vehicle that is robust and simple to work on and can carry more capacity than the competitors.
The journey continues as we seek out more and more opportunities to become more sustainable. Supporting the development of local manufacturers and suppliers is also a key part for the fleet team. Working with these business partners enables Australia Post to change and adapt to local conditions, specific safety needs. Australia Post also works with Indigenous enterprise and proudly displays the livery on many of our vehicles.
I think Terry is a very worthy winner. He focuses on the right area, which is the safety of his drivers. He makes sure that he has the right specification, very conscious of the environmental footprint that his fleet has, and he's very conscious of the cost of it. So the costs need to stack up too. But congratulations to Terry. I'm really happy that he's won the award.